Dear friends, in this video, I will tell you how you can create a share link for spreadsheets in Google Drive. You just have to follow a few steps. If you like the video, please like it. If you're not on the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. In the first step, open your Chrome browser. Second step, go to the website drive.google.com. Third step, click on My Drive. Fourth step, click on Type. Step number 5. Here, click on Spreadsheets. Step number 6. Upload it. If you haven't uploaded the spreadsheet, if you have uploaded it, then select it. Step number 7. Click on the 3 dots. Step number 8. Click on Share. Step number 9. Click on Restricted and click on Anyone with the link. Step number 10. Set it to Viewer or Editor. Select that. And step number 11. Here you can copy the link and share it with whichever friends you want. Here, in incognito mode, I will turn it on and show you. Open it and show you. As you can see, the shareable link has been created. Hopefully, you got information from this video. If you did, please like the video. If you're not on the channel, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and definitely share this video with your friends.